Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to go viral on Instagram. To go viral on Instagram in 2026, prioritize creating high value reels under 90 seconds with a strong hook in the first 2 to 3 seconds. Right? Use trending audio, keep captions concise with 3 to 5 niche relevant hashtags, and ensure high quality visuals, consistency, posting in your specific niche, and encouraging shares, saves over likes are crucial, right? So here's an example here. You can see the captions, you can see the hook at the beginning, and of course, what the creator tries to solve here, okay? So, the 3-second rule. The first 2 to 3 seconds are critical to stop the scroll. Use fast movement, strong audio, or a text-based curiosity hook, like how to X with a Y. Reels are the primarily vehicle for reaching new audiences. Focus on high retention, educational, or entertaining content. Ensure your account is optimized by having, niche, right? By having niche specific name, bio with keywords, and relevant story highlights to help Instagram's algorithm identify your target audience. Next, the algorithm prioritizes content that users share, like reaching new followers, and save, indicating high value. And use the search function to identify what is currently trending within your niche to create your own unique, basically, version, right? And test posting at different times, like 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. or after 7 p.m. to see when your audience is most active. And test multiple short videos to see what works before heavily investing in a specific topic. Lastly, reuse your own successful content from 2+ weeks ago. Right? So if you want to know how to reach to your viral content, just go ahead to your reels and select the arrow thing and press most viewed, right? And reuse it after 2+ weeks, right? Always shoot in 9:16 aspect ratio. Many users watch with their sound off, so make sure there is a caption. Lastly, reply to comments in the first hour of posting to boost engagement signals. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.